Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. So, I am curious to learn something different in today's class. Okay, I just want to start this class with some question answering sessions. I will ask some discovery questions to check your knowledge, like what you know, the specific kind of things about this topic. So, basically, tell me, why do organisms reproduce? Yes, very good. Organisms to produce their young ones. And why? Can you tell me why they produce their young ones? Any more questions? Okay. To extend their existence. Yes. So, we know that humans reproduce through by reproduction, sexual reproduction, but I just want to tell you, we know that there is sexual reproduction in humans, and we also have discussed in the previous class that sexual reproduction in flowering plants is pollination and the types, etc. So, like today's class, I am going to discuss a topic which is asexual reproduction in plants. So, can you tell me what are the vegetative parts of a plant? Like, now let me tell the vegetative parts of a plant are root, stems. This all are what? The vegetative parts of a plants. Like here, the reproduction occurs, asexual reproduction occurs, and then the plants grow into living beings. That's it. And the in the plants, the reproductive parts are flowers from which plants reproduce. But vegetative parts are like roots, stems. So I just want to start the topic with what is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means in plants there are different types of asexual reproduction. They are vegetative propagation, budding, fermentation, spore formation. तो ये होता है कि asexual reproduction where only one individual is present. तो इसका मतलब है कि एक वो vegetative reproduction single cell और asexual reproduction में plants क्या तो single cell organisms होते हैं जिसमें एक ही like where only one parent is involved. So let's go further and discuss the types. This is what vegetative reproduction. The name itself says vegetative reproduction. Vegetative means with the reproduction where it occurs with the vegetative parts, which I have told previously to you all that vegetative parts means roots, stems, leaves, and all. So let's see what it is saying. In this method, new plants are produced from the vegetative parts like roots, stems, and leaves. Yes, this is what I already told you that in this method, plants are produced from what? We can say that roots, stems, and leaves. So let's take an example. If you bring a rose plant and see it's a rose plant, and if you cut it from the node, and if you take the plant, the other part of the stem, and you plant it in, and you just plant it in the soil, you will see that a new plants will grow. So it means that the vegetative part is cut off. See, example, in the stem, cutting of a rose plant or money plant is planted in the soil, we can get a new plant. That means क्या होता है? जब हम लोग एक plant को, rose plant को, या फिर छोटे like herbs kind of plants, shrubs kind of plants, if we cut the branch and then or the stem and we just plant it in the soil, we'll get a new plant after some days or months. So here it is playing the role of vegetative propagation. And let's take an example. आपके घर में आप लोगों ने देखा है कि in this season, especially the November, December kinds of seasons, you will see that a potato where you will see छोटा-छोटा एक white there is some like kind of white in the potato, which is the eye of the potato. अगर आप उस पार्ट को, जैसे कि ये पोटैटो है, आप उस पार्ट को कट करके अगर आप लोग उसको डिप कर देंगे सॉइल में, you will see new plant is growing. So let's see an example. Potato has a small buds called eyes. तो मैंने अभी आप लोगों को बताया है. If a plant of the part of the potato with the eyes cut and planted in the soil, we can get a new plant. So यही मैंने आप लोगों को अभी पढ़ाया है कि समझाया है that small buds which is called the eye is like buds को eye बोलते हैं. उसको हम लोग अगर उस पार्ट को पूरा पोटैटो में नहीं, जिस पार्ट में होगा उस पार्ट को अगर हम लोग कट करके डिक कर देंगे तो एक नया प्लांट शुरू होता है, which shows the part or as a vegetative propagation. फिर से अगर हम लोग देखेंगे ऐसे ही सेम जिंजर में होते हैं, जिंजर हम लोग काट करके कर देंगे तो फिर ये वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन हो जाता है. And we have seen that vegetative reproduction, when we say, there comes a very common and specific example, that is bryophylla. Right? तो ब्रायोफाइला जब हम लोग देखेंगे लीफ में, उसमें हम लोग देखेंगे कि बर्ड्स होता है छोटा ऐसे, ये लीफ हो गए, यहाँ पे हो गए, हम लोग देखेंगे. तो उसका मतलब है कि ब्रायोफाइला has birds in the leaf. If a part of the leaf with bird is planted in the soil, we can get a new plant. And if a part of the cactus plant is planted in the soil, we can get a new plant. तो बेसिकली क्या होता है, वो स्टेम्स हो गए, लीफ हो गया या रूट हो गए, जो भी हो उसमें ब्रांच हो गए, उसमें अपना थोड़ा सा पार्ट अगर हम लोग कट करके अगर हम लोग डिग करते हैं सॉइल में, we plant it in the soil, we get a new plant. So the specific part of vegetative reproduction is done here. So let's go and discuss further the another types of asexual reproduction. Some of the examples जो मैंने अभी डिस्कस करा है आप लोगों को, इसकी ये रोज प्लांट हो गया, उसको हम लोग करके वो हो जाता है, फिर जो हो रहा है फाइलम लीफ हो गया, फिर मनी प्लांट हो गया. ये जो मैंने आपको बोला था पोटैटो में वाइट बर्ड्स आईज होते हैं, बर्ड्स होते हैं जिसको आई बोलते हैं. फिर ये होते हैं जिंजर द न्यू प्लांट्स. फिर ये देखो फाइलम मैंने आप लोगों को बोला था अगर इस पार्ट को अगर हम लोग कट करके और हम लोग प्लांट करते हैं सॉइल पे तो ये नया प्लांट ग्रो होता है. दिस इज द स्पेसिफिक पार्ट्स ऑफ द वेजिटेटिव प्लांट्स. ये हो गया कैक्टस. So the next example is budding. The types of asexual reproduction is budding. In this method, a small projection called bud is formed on its head. अगर हम लोग एक ब्रेड हो गए, ठीक है, आपके घर में जब हम लोग एक ब्रेड ज़्यादा दिन रखते हैं तो वो क्या हो जाता है, थोड़ा ग्रीनी या फिर ऐसे हो जाता है. तो उस चीज़ को अगर हम लोग कट करके अगर कोई ईस्ट सेल हो गया तो ज़्यादा दिन हो गया, अगर हम लोग उस चीज़ को माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर देखेंगे with this condition with the naked eye, so we will see it under the microscope. तो उसमें क्या देखेंगे हमें, the bud grows and becomes a new yeast cell. The new yeast cell also grows and produces more yeast cells. तो मतलब budding का, जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बोला है कि vegetative reproduction का specific examples क्या हो सकता है. We have seen that it's bryophylla. So here comes when we hear the word budding, the specific example is yeast. So in this, अगर हम if you take yeast and put in the microscope in the naked eyes. So we have to see it under a microscope to see the reproduction part. Here in is you will see that the part of is under a microscope. If you can see the single cell, the cytoplasm, the nucleus, and that cell, it will divide into two, and after the division, reproduction, it will be forming a new cell and get detached from the mother cell. So this whole process is called budding. This is budding in his cells, parent cells से mother cells से वो डिटेच हो रहा है और उसको budding बोलते हैं. So here comes our third point, which is fragmentation. तो अभी मैं आप लोगों को कुछ बोलूँ. आप लोग क्या जब घर से निकलते हो या फिर किसी के घर पे पॉन्ड हो गया या फिर लेक हो गया या फिर हम लोग ऐसे साइड में ड्रेन में देखते हैं ना कि वो पानी गीला गीला हो गया ज़्यादा, वो क्या हो जाता है, ग्रीन हो जाता है, राइट? इट बिकम्स ग्रीन कलर और ब्लैकिश इन कलर. So I have like few examples. In my university, I have seen that green color formation in a pond or in types. So this formation is called fragmentation. Here the algae comes and formation of algae, when they get water and nutrients, there will be more and more formation of algae. So this is called fragmentation. We can see spider under the microscope. Here we see in this method the plant breaks up into two or more fragments, and each fragment grows into new plants. अगर उस algae को हम लोग उठा के माइक्रोस्कोप में देखेंगे तो एक parent cell उसको डिवाइड हो जाएगा. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फ्रेगमेंटेशन. Fragmentation itself, the name says to fragment from the parent cell. So here comes spore formation. Example, fungus or fern or sorus. In this method, the fungus produces spores. The spores germinate and produces a new plants. अगर हम लोग कुछ भी ऐसे प्लांट्स देख लिया फर्न्स में, हम लोग देखेंगे छोटा छोटा फर्न्स में स्पोर होता है, ब्लैक कलर और ब्राउन इन कलर. So if we cut this part and if we see under a microscope, we will see that this fungus produces spores. वो sorus होता है, फिर वो spores produce करता है, then that spores germinate and produces a new plant. So this is spore formation, and it's the last types of asexual reproduction. So in today's class, we have discussed about asexual reproduction, where only single plant is involved in a single cell organism, and we have seen its types of asexual reproduction is vegetative, where the vegetative parts of the plants are cut and planted in the soil and grown, and this part is grown into a new plant. So it is called vegetative reproduction, like hibiscus हो गया, potato हो गया. Then we have seen budding. Budding is like when the mother cell get detached from the when the daughter cell get detached from the mother cells, and when the mother cell produces two or more detached daughter cells is called budding. Then we have seen fermentation. algae हो गया, उसको हम फ्रेगमेंटेशन बोलते हैं. फिर हम लोगों ने देखा स्पोर फॉर्मेशन. So how spore formation occurs? The method where fungus produces spores, the spores then germinate and produces new plants, right? So that's after the class, and I hope you all have understood.